What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, as you can see, this is 4 hour time frame, and we see that there is a new trading opportunity arising in gold. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis to back up the trade idea. Now, starting with monthly time frame, first of all, to see the bigger picture. Now, as you can see that monthly, the price just came to this previous resistance, penetrated to the downside. As you can see, there is a long doji here on the monthly. This is a very, very important level of resistance. From this doji, what we saw, the price penetrated this level and then the buyers found support, now aggressively pushing to the upside. So overall, keep in mind that gold, it's a bullish market, and we have seen a significant retest of this previous resistance as a support. That is what I mentioned in quite a few analysis, and the price did exactly as it is. You can watch that analysis at the end of this video. I'll put a link. Now, what you saw on the weekly time frame, gold has created a very, very long week candle, still not closed. Today will be closed, but it looks like gold is creating this kind of pattern. Now, this is the weekly chart, and we have seen that gold, basically this is the previous resistance on the weekly here. Also, this level acted as a support here, resistance here, and now created a false breakout on the lower time frame, and then now bouncing to the upside. As you can see that this is an overall bullish market on the weekly as well, and it is likely that gold will continue to rise up from here, as we have seen that there is a significant level of false breakout. Now let's see on the daily time frame. As you can see, previous day the price basically broke all this level of lower time frame support, created a false breakout here. That is what I mentioned in my previous analysis, that gold will likely to come to test this level of support and resistance, and gold did exactly as it is. Now it is likely that gold will slowly push to the upside to create a new higher high, as it is a over the long term, it's a uptrending market. Now let's see on the 4 hour to see how we can find a trading opportunity. Now on the 4 hour, we have some clues to consider. First of all, as you can see, this is a important level of support. As you can see, in the past it acted as a support here. There is a long week candle has been created, the push to the price push to the upside, and also in the past you see there is a strong level of resistance. There has been a big consolidation happen in this level. Now the same level, we saw that an inverted head and shoulder has been created on gold. This is the head, this is the right shoulder, this is the left shoulder, and at the same time what you saw that there is a gap opening in the 4 hour. There are back to back two gap openings after this head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, meaning that there is a high probability that gold is picking up to the upside and it could start to rise up. So let's see again to the daily to find a level. Now what, where we can buy from. So if we draw a level of support here, as you can see, this level with this red candle, this is basically a false breakout to the downside. As you can see, there is a long wick candle, and the price, if you draw a trend line on the daily time frame, you see this is the trend line, support here, support here, support here. Now this extended part is basically a false breakout. So when you see a false breakout, meaning that it grabbed enough liquidity and ready to pick up, so where we can enter a buy position. Let's go to the 4 hour again. Now you see that this is the daily level of resistance, which there is a gap opening, meaning that gold is trying to push up from here aggressively, or also this is a level of resistance here, now broken with a gap opening. So what we will be doing, we have to wait for a slow retracement along this zone. As soon as we'll find enough entry opportunity after a slow retracement, we'll consider buying gold from here with our students and VIP members with a high risk to reward ratio, keeping our stop loss below this level of support so that it doesn't hit our stop loss. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.